Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the pathfinding visualization project using Python. So here we are using the multiple algorithms and a few are the options like maze and pattern, add bomb, clear board, clear walls and height, clear path, and the speed fast. Okay, so these are all the options and the algorithm we are using for the Dijkstra algo, A asterisk search, greedy best first search, Swan algorithm, convergent Swan algorithm, bidirectional Swan algorithm, width first search, depth first search. So these are algorithm which we can implement for finding the path, the shortest path, and we are developing using Python programming language. So it will identify the shortest path according to the algorithm which we are implemented. We can select the algorithm and it will work according to that particular algorithm. Like that you can see it will identify the path, the shortest path. You can change the algorithm according to your user input and project will work accordingly. So this is the complete project. If you're in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And if you're searching any type of project ideas in Python, machine learning, deep learning, AI, neural network, or the Java, Android, so you can contact us. I will provide the contact link in description. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you're new, then subscribe channel and share with the friend. Thank you.